Man, I'm so hungry for something yummy, but you see my favorite restaurants, they're not open, and I'm hoping somebody who's on Zoom with me might have advice for me.
I know how to cook. So we try to do it every Saturday night, Friday nights if I have the kids, and it's always exploratory, it's something new. We went with this particular dish because I haven't been to our favorite Korean restaurant in a while because it's all closed. It's rice and vegetables. I added in the chicken and everything. I cheated. I just made teriyaki chicken to go on it. That really isn't traditional, I don't think. It's funny because I'm not even sure how to properly pronounce it. I don't think I would do it justice, but I'm pretty sure it's like Dolsot Bibimbap or something along those lines. Dolsot Bibimbap. 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 Dolsot. The act of cooking requires care and love. It's because I love cooking. Like I don't cook just to make food, because food is something that a human body needs.
If you're sick of same old meat and veg, and you'd like to have something new instead, try out a different recipe on Saturday. If you can't pronounce it, that's okay. That's okay.